Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an in-depth walkthrough of Labelbox, which is a next generation platform that helps AI teams craft high quality training data faster and more efficiently. So, whether you're an AI startup just getting started or an enterprise scaling massive data pipelines, Labelbox offers an end to end solution trusted by both innovative companies and Fortune 500 giants. This platform is built to support everything from computer vision and natural language processing to the latest generative AI models. It simplifies the entire data lifecycle from ingesting raw data and annotating it accurately, managing large data sets, and even evaluating how your models perform. In this video, I'll guide you through Labelbox interface, explain its main features, and give you a clear idea of who it's meant for and what problems it solves. When you first land on the platform, you'll notice several core tabs in the navigation. The first one we'll look at in the Products tab. This section is designed to showcase Labelbox three main offerings referred to as its data factory capabilities. These three components form the foundation of what makes Labelbox a powerful infrastructure for any AI pipeline. The offerings are labeled as tools and platforms, annotation services, and AI trainers if you see them over here in products. So basically, what happens is that the flexibility here is a key. You're not limited to some specific stuff like you can see limited to one type of project or domain. Instead, you get a system that can handle everything from autonomous vehicles to medical imaging or LLM fine tuning. So, Labelbox platform is a complete environment where your data is managed, annotated, and refined at a scale. It supports a wide array of formats from static images and videos to 3D point clouds, natural language text, and even audio files. So you can see that the platform is designed to give teams full transparency, quality control, and the ability to manage complex workflows from start to finish. So these components are the foundation of what makes Labelbox a powerful infrastructure. The offerings are labeled as tools and platforms. So as you explore this section, you'll see that Labelbox places a big emphasis on performance, scalability, and quality. They offer built in tools for generative synthetic data, running model evaluation, and reviewing labels all within a single ecosystem. You can pull in data from major cloud storage solutions like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, or even via custom API connections. The interface is intuitive but also deeply customizable for labeling tasks. You can build interfaces for object detection, classification, segmentation, and named entity recognition, tailored specifically for the problem you're solving. One of the standout features is the full version control system. Every annotation, every change, every model result, it's all tracked. You can go back, audit tables, and collaborate with team members across departments. And for more technical teams, there's a powerful Python SDK and a suite of APIs that let engineers manage data, trigger labeling jobs, and query results programmatically. This makes Labelbox especially useful for companies working on large scale AI where automation and reproducibility are critical. Labelbox goes beyond simple labeling. The platform supports pre labeling using your own machine learning models, integrates seamlessly with active learning loops, and even allows you to automate the entire annotation lifecycle. This combination of human supervision and AI powered automation makes it easy to generate massive amounts of high quality label data without burning through resources. Next, let's explore the second core capability, annotation services. Labelbox understands that not every team has the time or capacity to label millions of data points in house. That's why they offer a solutions called Labelbox Boost, a managed network of professional human annotators. These are experienced labelers who understand complex tasks and can work within the quality and speed your project requires. You also have the option to bring your own workforce, integrate them into the Labelbox platform, and manage them using the same tools and workflows. What sets Labelbox apart in the annotation services space is how tightly integrated quality control is. From consensus scoring to review workflows and real time question answers dashboards, you're not just getting fast annotations, you're getting reliable, consistent data that meets enterprise standards. Labelbox also allows for ML assisted labeling, which means your models can generate initial predictions and human annotators only need to correct or confirm the outputs. This drastically reduces turnaround time while maintaining a high level of precision. These services are built to scale whether you need 10,000 labels or 10 million. And because quality is central to Labelbox approach, every batch of data can be reviewed, scored, and optimized before being pushed into your training pipeline. This makes it ideal for use cases where precision is critical, such as healthcare diagnostics, financial document processing, or autonomous navigation. Now, let's move on to the final component, that is AI trainers. So, this is where Labelbox really differentiates itself from the traditional annotation platforms. AI trainers are designed to supercharge your labeling and training workflows by adding intelligence into the loop. Instead of just labeling data, you're now optimizing the selection, refinement, and evaluation of that data with advanced techniques like active learning, error analysis, and model assisted feedback loops. With AI trainers, you can service the most valuable or diverse data points for annotation, discover model weaknesses through uncertainty, sampling, and streamline your workflows by reducing the amount of human label data required to achieve good model performance. Think of it as having a smart assistant that helps you train better models with fewer resources. You also gain access to tools for auto labeling using your own models or pre trained systems, giving you even more control over how your data gets generated. In the age of foundation, models are large scaled and AI deployments having tools that help you make smarter decisions about data curation is a massive advantage. AI trainers help identify blind spots, improve label efficiency, and ensure that every dollar you spend on data annotation is yielding maximum model performance. All right, so those are the three pillars of Label Box platform tools and platform annotation services and AI trainers. Now, let's take a quick tour through the solutions tab that this part of the site helps you understand how Labelbox supports different AI domains. So first up, we have generative AI. Labelbox offers specialized tools for building and refining large language models. Then we have computer vision. This includes everything from basic bounding box tasks to complex polygon based segmentation and pixel level annotation. For natural language processing, Labelbox provides collaborative text labeling interface for tasks like sentiment analysis, topic classification, summarization, and more. Labelbox also offers post training tools that help you evaluate your models and refine their performance. So there's even red teaming built into the tool set, a way to test the limits of your models by injecting edge cases and adversarial prompts to discover whether your model breaks or show bias. So now before we wrap up, let's take a look at the last section, learn customer and pricing. So let's just head over and see the pricing of Labelbox. So here you can see the pricing for we have only the enterprise one over here. You can simply contact the team and just negotiate with them. The free one is completely free. It has 500 LBUs per month, and the starter is $0.10 per LBU, which is quite cheap in my opinion. And you can also compare the features and see if the features align with your needs. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.